Here's an actual hydration formula for if you're not sure how much water you should be drinking. This is day 3 of Get Quenched, and today we're going to talk about the actual numbers, because the generic advice of just drink 8 glasses a day is not only outdated, it's potentially keeping you in a state of chronic dehydration. So here's the baseline formula. You take your weight in pounds, divide it by 2, and then that number in ounces is your minimum daily water intake. So if you weigh 150 pounds, you need at least 75 ounces of water per day. If you weigh 180 pounds, then 90 ounces would be your starting point. But here's what most people miss. This is just the baseline for someone who lives a sedentary lifestyle in a perfectly temperate climate with 0 additional dehydrating factors, which describes almost no one, right? So now you have to factor in lifestyle dehydrators. For every 8 ounces of coffee you drink, for example, add 12 ounces of water because caffeine is a diuretic. For every ounce of alcohol, add 1.5 ounces of water. If you sit under fluorescent lights or air-conditioned or heated buildings all day, breathing recirculated, processed, dehumidified air, add at least 8 to 16 ounces. If you exercise a lot and sweat, add 12 ounces for every 30 minutes of activity. If you're taking pharmaceutical medications, many of which are diuretics and extremely dehydrating, then you need even more. If you're eating dry or highly processed foods or a low-fat diet, then even your food is drying you out too, and you need to add more. But here's the critical thing. Don't just shock your system by suddenly drinking 3 times what you normally drink. If you're currently drinking 20 ounces a day and then you suddenly start chugging 100 ounces, your body won't know what to do with it all, and you'll just be running to the bathroom constantly without actually hydrating yourselves. So start by adding 1 glass, 8 to 16 ounces, to your current daily routine, and then in 3 to 4 days, add another glass. And build up gradually so that your body learns how to absorb and utilize the water rather than just flushing it through. And it's best to drink half a liter when you first wake up, and then kind of take an internal shower with that to help your body clear anything that it's detoxed through the night. Plus, if you mouth breathe while you sleep, that's very dehydrating. And then drink again 30 minutes or more before each meal, and again an hour or so before bed. And other than those 3 key anchors, just sip slowly throughout the day. And, even without that formula, which is a good starting point, I have to add the caveat that if you're drinking really super high quality water, you actually don't need that much. It's more bioavailable, so generally the better your water, the less you need to drink. So over the next 25 days of this series, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to upgrade your water into a super hydrating spring water like elixir, and teaching you other lifestyle practices other than drinking water that keep you hydrated, just to make sure that your bio water is as structured and vibrant and vital as possible. So this 28 days is a recalibration. It's a re-education of your cells, and it takes time, it takes patience, it takes consistency. So start today. And comment hydration workbook to get your 28-day paperback guide with daily tracking sheets so that you can calculate exactly what your body needs. Or comment quenched if you want the daily email reminders with each day's lesson delivered straight to your inbox. Or comment liquid crystal if you want to join the free masterclass that's coming up soon, where I'm going to teach you the science behind cellular hydration. I will see you tomorrow. Until then, be well and be water, my friend.